Good morning. Welcome back to my class. Today I am going to start chapter 3, pair of linear equations and two variables. Pair of linear equations and two variables. As we have discussed in chapter 2 that what are linear polynomials? Linear polynomials are those polynomials which have their degree 1. So linear equation is also an equation in which degree is 1. But now we have two variables, two unknown variables. Generally we take two unknown variables as x and y. So the equation is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is 0. We want pair of linear equation. Pair means 2. Pair means 2. So our second equation is a2x plus b2y plus c2 is 0. So these are the two linear equations in two variables. They are linear because their degree is 1. What is the degree of x? It is also 1. What is the degree of y? It is also 1. Okay, so these are the two linear equations. Now to solve these two linear equations means to find the values of unknown variables x and y, we have two methods. We have two methods. So the methods to solve these equations are graphical method. First is graphical method and the second one is algebraic method. Now students, the algebraic method again has three parts. Again this method has three methods. The first is substitution method. Second one is elimination method. And the third one is cross multiplication method. Cross multiplication method. Okay students. So these are the pair of linear equation in two unknown variables. To solve these equations, to find out the value of x and y, we have two methods. They are graphical method and the algebraic method. Now the algebraic method is again divided into three parts. Okay. Substitution method, elimination method and cross multiplication method. The most common method which we used is elimination method because it is the easiest method. It is the easiest method to find the values of x and y from two given equations. Okay students, so I am taking one example through which I will explain you all the three methods. From one example only I am going to explain you all the three methods, that what is the difference between substitution, elimination and cross multiplication method. Students, by the name substitution method, can you guess anything? Yes, substitution means from these two equations we substitute the value of one variable into the second equation. Suppose from first equation we find the value of x in the form of y and then we substitute that value of x in second equation. In elimination method we eliminate, we cut one variable. It may be either x or it may be either y. And cross multiplication is something different. So firstly I am taking the one example students and I am explaining all the three methods today. Okay. Substitution method, elimination method and cross multiplication method. So my example is 8x plus 5y is 9 and 3x plus 2y is 4. Students, two unknown variables are there, two equations are there. So we have to find the values of x and y. Okay. So firstly I am doing the substitution method. So let this equation is 1 and this equation is 2. So from first equation, from equation 1, I am substituting the value of x in second equation. So what is the value of x from first equation? 8x is equal to 9 minus 5y. So what is x? It is 9 minus 5y upon 8. So on substituting value of x from equation 1 in equation 2. What we get? What is our second equation? It is 3. Now in place of x, I am going to put the value which I have calculated just now, which is 9 minus 5y upon 8 plus 2y is equal to 4. So I am going to solve this. What is the LCM of 8 and 1? It is 8. 3 9 ja 27. 3 5 ja 15y. When we divide 1 by 8, we get 8. So 8 2 ja 16y. And here we have 4. So these are the like terms because they are having their variables as y. So what is plus minus? It is minus. So 16 minus 15 is 1. No need to write 1 and sign before the greater number is positive. So we have 1y or we can write it as y upon 8 is equal to 4. Now we have to cross multiply these two equations. Now we have to cross multiply these two equations. When we multiply 27 plus y by 1, it remains same and 8 4 ja 32. So when 27 goes on that side, it becomes minus. So what is the value of y? It is 5. And what is x? It is 9 minus 5y upon 8. We have just now calculated the value of y. It is 5. So put this value. 5 minus 5 is 25. Okay. So what is 25 minus 9? It is minus 16. Because 25 is greater, it has minus sign before it. So we have put the minus sign before 16. So it is minus 2. So this is the substitution method. We have find the value of x as well as the value of y. So value of x is minus 2 and the value of y is 5. Is this method clear? From first equation, we have find the value of x. We have substitute the value of x from this equation in second equation and we have solved the values of x and y. Okay. Now I am starting my second method, which is the elimination method. It is the most easiest method in solving the questions. If it is not written that which method we have to use, we are going to use this method. So I am again writing my question. It is 3x plus 2y is 4. Now I have told you that in elimination method we have to eliminate, means we have to cut either x or y. Okay. The coefficient of x in first equation is 8. Coefficient of x in first equation is 8 and coefficient of x in second equation is 3. So we have to make either the x coefficient same or the y coefficient same. Suppose I am changing the x coefficient. Then I multiply this equation by 3. This whole equation by 3 and this whole equation by 8. Interchange the variables because 3 8s are 24 and 8 3s are 24. Is that clear? The concept is clear. If suppose I want to eliminate y. Then I multiply the first equation by 2 and the second equation by 5. Means I interchange the values of y. But now I am eliminating x. Okay. So 3. But the most important thing is that you have to remember that we have to multiply the whole first equation by 3. Not only the first term but the whole equation. Okay. So 3 8s are 24x. 3 5s are 15y and 3 9s are 27. Is that clear, students? I have multiplied whole first equation by 3. Now the second equation. 8 3s are 24, 8 2 ja 16 and 8 4 ja 32. So can you able to see that the coefficients of x in both the equations are same. So I am subtracting this equation from this. So I am changing the sign. Here already we have plus sign, so change it into minus. Plus again changes into minus and plus again changes into minus. So these terms cancel. Put your hand here. Plus minus minus. 15 minus 16 is 1. So no need to write 1. Write only y. And the sign before the greater number is minus. So put minus. Here also plus minus minus. 27 minus 32 is 5. But the sign before the greater number is minus. Okay. Now minus cancels with minus. So what is the value of y, students? It is 5. Okay. Now we put the value of y in either in first equation or in second equation to get the value of x. Okay. So I am putting it in suppose first equation. I am putting it in suppose first. You may put this value in second also. Okay. So our first equation is 8x plus 5y. In place of y we have 5. So 5 5 ja 25. When this 25 goes on right hand side, its sign changes. It becomes minus. So 9 minus 25 is minus 16. Again, what is x? It is minus 2. So by elimination method also, we can easily find that the value of x is minus 2 and the value of y is 5. So again I am repeating, substitution means substitute the value of one variable, either x or y. It is not compulsory that every time I am going to substitute x only. Okay. We can substitute y also. But I have explained this question by eliminating x and by substituting x. Okay. So our next method is cross multiplication method. Students, look at this method carefully. Okay. This is something different from both these two methods, substitution and elimination. Cross multiplication. Our first equation is 8x plus 5y equal to 9. When I brought 9 here on the left hand side, its sign becomes minus. And second equation is 3x plus 2y minus 4 is 0. This method is different. So look at this method very carefully. Okay. Look at this method very carefully. In this we have three variables, x, y and 1. Okay students. We have taken three variables, x, y, and the constant is treated as 1. Constant is treated as 1. So when we are writing the variables under x, don't take that coefficients which are with x. You have to take the other coefficients. Okay. So don't take these coefficients. The other coefficients are 5 and 2. And the next one is minus 9 and minus 4. Okay. This is easy. Now we don't have to take the coefficients of y. But we have only minus 9 and minus 4 here. So write the coefficient of x here, okay? Because we have only one coefficient left after y. So write the coefficients of x which are 8 and 3 in place of 0 or after 0. So now we are going to write minus 9 and minus 4 and 8 and 3. Okay students? Now we don't have to take the coefficients of constants because 1 is in place of constant only. So write the coefficients of x and y. They are 8 and 3, 5 and 2. So now our method starts. Do you remember? How do we make a cross? We make a cross like this. First we move like this, then this. Okay. So again in this question, first we have to move like this. So what is 5 into minus 4? I am writing one step again in this question so that this method is clear to you. 5 into minus 4 minus 2 into minus 9. Same here also. Minus 9 into 3 minus 4 into 8. And same with the coefficient 1. 8 into 2 minus 3 into 5. Okay. So it is x upon 5 4 ja minus 20. 2 9 ja minus 18. Here minus 9 into 3 is minus 27 and it is minus 32. It is 8 2 ja 16 and 3 5 ja 15. Up to this step it is clear to you students? Look at each and every step very carefully. So minus minus becomes plus. Minus minus becomes plus. Here also minus minus becomes plus. And here 16 minus 15 is 1. So plus minus minus. 20 minus 18 is 2. But 20 is greater and we take the sign which is before greater term. So it is minus 2. Plus minus is minus. 32 minus 27 is 5 and it is 1 upon 1. So we have to compare the value of x also with third term. We have to compare this also and y upon 5 with third term. When we cross multiply it, x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 5. So can you able to see? In all the three methods, that is substitution, elimination and cross multiplication, the value of x is minus 2 and the value of y is 5.